The Ford Bronco Warthog hybrid was spotted with interesting features. Now, last September, it was reported that Ford had filed a trademark for the Warthog, which was believed to be named of an upcoming Ford Bronco variant. That was confirmed just months later when it was spied, the 2023 Ford Bronco Warthog, driving around the Warthog with a shock cover. Written on a panel inside the wheel well, the name was confirmed again by the supplier letter. In the Bronco Warthog has since been spied testing alongside the next generation Range Raptor and by itself near Moab. However, now the Bronco Warthog hybrid was out in testing and spotted by some journalists in Michigan. Now, there are several clues that point out to the fact that this Bronco Warthog hybrid prototype is running an electrified powertrain. Let's go back here to look at this. Now, the biggest is an orange high voltage HV cable typically used in the hybrid vehicles. Now, this is visible underneath the Bronco wrapped around a part of the transmission tunnel and transaxle covering. Hopefully, the cable will be placed somewhere else on the production version, because its current location makes it vulnerable during even lighter off-roading. So you don't want that being exposed, because anything can happen, and you don't want that, because it just wouldn't make sense. You can sort of see something here, but usually the orange is like an indicator of the hybrid. Now, so far, the Ford Bronco Warthog prototypes have been spied with and without these high voltage cables, and both also utilize different exhaust tips. The hybrid prototypes have a single exhaust with a single exhaust outlet, while the non-hybrid prototypes have a single exhaust with dual tips. Now, the non-hybrid Warthog is expected to be powered by a more potent version of the Ford twin turbo 3.0 liter EcoBoost V6, currently found on the Ford Explorer ST and the Lincoln Aviator. Now, it is rated to produce about 400 horsepower and 415 pound-feet of torque. Now, meanwhile, the hybrid Warthog is expected to be powered by the same 3.0 liter EcoBoost V6 and electric motor combinations, which is present in the Lincoln Aviator Grand Touring, which produces 494 horsepower and 630 pound-feet of torque. Now, both power plants are going to be mated to the 10-speed automatic transmission. The Bronco Warthog hybrid could be Ford's response to the recently revealed Jeep Wrangler Rubicon 392, which produced 470 horsepower and 470 pound-feet of torque from a 6.4-liter V8, as well as a plug-in hybrid Wrangler 4xe, powered by a 2.0-liter turbocharged 4, coupled with the engine and transmission mounted motor generator units to produce 375 horsepower and 470 pound-feet of torque. Now, both of which exceed the 2021 Bronco range-topping 2.7-liter EcoBoost V6 that offers 310 horsepower and 400 pound-feet of torque. Now, the Bronco Warthog is fitted to the 17-inch Ford F-150 Raptor-like wheels, the LT 315 70R17 BF Goodrich KO2 all-terrain tires. What should I say? Now, the Warthog will have the wider stance than the regular Bronco models and will use the same Foxlite valve shock technology as the F-150 Raptor. Now, in addition to a host of other suspension upgrades, on the outside, it's going to feature the unique front and rear fascia and the bumper treatments, higher ground clearance, and more pronounced fenders than a regular Bronco. But it's going to look quite awesome, especially when all this wrap comes off. And that's why the closest thing I get is this. Of course, it's the two-door, the first edition. But again, folks, the hybrid is coming, and it's going to be amazing. Ford Bronco Warthog hybrid spotted with the some great interesting features. Automotive Reviews. Remember, like, share, and subscribe.